Hey guys, how y'all doing? And welcome back to the channel. My name's David and I fix RVs. And today's project is this 20 amp inlet. I've sent a probe through here already. This is actually going in under the bed in the bedroom. And what I want to do is I want to add an outlet at the foot of the bed to plug an oil-filled heater into. So basically that's what we're going to do. We're going to cut this outlet in here. Then I've got a 20 amp cord that we will use to feed power into this outlet. Then we'll jump out of the back of it with some Romex to an actual outlet that, like I said, I'm going to cut in at the foot of the bed. Let's get started. So it looks like we're going to be using the 2-inch for this project. That will allow us to still be able to put screws into these holes. Now we're down here at the foot of the bed. Let's see, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this box in horizontal down there as low as I can get it. That way the cord's not, up in the air. So this lip here that's about the lowest point I can go to, so I'm going to put my multi-tool right on the bottom of it. Now we can go to the other side and finish it. Just want to throw some flexible metal conduit on here for extra protection. I do store stuff under the bed. Mice can't chew on it. I do have these color coded. You got your ground is green, and over here silver is for your white, and then the black and the gold go together. Next I'm going to slide on my boot, and I'm still not sure if I can use this. Let's see if it fits in the hole. Well, it fits. We might be able to use it. Please take a number 1 Phillips. Now let's get this outlet in. Since I'm using a remodel box, it is recommended to take off these side ears here because they kind of make your outlet stick out a bit. So I'm going to cut them off. Or not actually cut them off. You can also bend them like that. They come off pretty easy. Let's go back and forth a couple of times. And that's what it looks like when you're done. All right, now let's go plug it in and see if it works. All right, guys, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.